Hi, I'm Lou Pedler with ZiiDMS, and today we're going to talk about budgets. Does your store have a budget? How much effort did it take to create it? And how much more effort did it take to input the monthly budgeted numbers into the GL? For many dealers, it is such an arduous task, they don't even bother. ZiiDMS has made budgeting fast and easy. Introducing the ZiiDMS Budget Tool. Work your way through the tool and watch the expense ratios and KPIs change as you go. Enter your expected differences in volume along with expected margins. The system does the calculations for cost of sales and unit counts. When you go to the Service tab, your existing tech stats are there for your revision to expectations. For F&I, estimated number of units sold is already displayed based on your input in the new and used tabs and is used in calculating expected F&I sales. You simply input your expected attachment ratios and margins. View the comparison of the look-back period P&L with the budgeted P&L. Happy with the results? Then click Complete. All of the monthly budget numbers for the P&L accounts are now stored and ready to use in reporting. ZiiDMS, the DMS with built-in budgeting.